the magical map of Italy. Leo and Sophia were exploring their Nana's dusty attic when they found a mysterious wooden box. Inside was a rolled-up map. It wasn't a normal map. It was covered in beautiful drawings of towers, canals, and green hills. In the center, a single word was written in swirling gold letters: Italia. "Look at this," Sophia whispered, pointing to a drawing of a grand, crumbling building. As her finger touched the paper, the map began to glow. The dusty attic swirled away, replaced by warm sunshine and the scent of ancient stone. They stood in awe before the mighty Colosseum in Rome. "Wow!" Leo exclaimed. "This is where gladiators used to have contests thousands of years ago." They imagined the roar of the crowds from long, long ago. Curious, Leo touched another picture on the map, a city of water. Whoosh! They were suddenly standing on a small bridge in Venice, watching a striped-shirted gondolier steer his long, elegant boat down a sparkling canal. "Buongiorno," the gondolier called with a friendly smile. Leo and Sophia waved back as the gondola glided silently under the bridge they were standing on. The city was a maze of beautiful buildings that seemed to float on the water. Next, Sophia chose a drawing of a tall, leaning tower. With another golden swirl, they found themselves in a green field in Pisa. "It really is leaning," Sophia giggled, pretending to hold the tower up with her hands for a funny picture. Leo wanted to see nature. He pointed to a picture of rolling green hills, covered in tall, skinny trees and grapevines. Instantly, the air smelled sweet and earthy. They were in the beautiful countryside of Tuscany. They sat under an olive tree, watching the clouds drift by. It was so peaceful. They could see old farmhouses, called casali, nestled among the hills. "I could stay here forever," Sophia said softly. One last picture called to them, a smoking mountain by a brilliant blue sea. With a final flash, they stood on the coast near Naples, looking across the water at the majestic Mount Vesuvius. As the sun began to set, the map gave a final, gentle glow, and they were back in the attic, the scent of sunshine and history still clinging to them. Their adventure was over, but the map of Italy was waiting for their next journey.